here the confidence interval comes. So the idea behind confidence interval is that it is not enough just to use the sample mean to estimate the population mean, right? So that was the main catch that we were studying in the central limit theorem, population and samples. Okay, so the sample mean by itself is a single point, right? And this does not give people any idea as as to how good your estimation is for the population distribution. Now let's say for an instance you have studied that for your commute time your confidence interval is 47, that is upper, and you find out that uh, it means that 90% of your time, suppose you have repeated the whole process, calculating the confidence interval uh, for 10 time, the result will fall in between the this range, so that is 95% range. So what is 95% confidence interval? So 95 confidence interval is a range of value above and below the point estimate within which the true value in the population is likely to lie with 95 confidence. Okay, so you can see, now you can say that using this property of confidence interval you can claim that the probability that the population mean lies in between 47 and 53 is 95%. Okay, and and now you can tell the answer confidently because you have 95% of reliability rating, or you can say confidence. Okay, now let's see an example. So you remember how we polled in Facebook example. So basically 50.5% of 10,000 people polled on Facebook example preferred feature B over feature A. So as a result, for this sample bar X, 50.5, and number of sample will be 10,000, where X is the percentage of people who prefer feature B over feature A. In addition, our standard deviation is 20%, that is 0.2, and then you uh, you now understand the population mean actually lies between x bar and the margin of error. So basically you can see this is a formula of confidence interval. You are passing 1.65 is your z value, which is coming from z table. So you can google it, it will be in Google somewhere. So you have to look formula for it. So basically here we are looking for 90% of confidence level, what it would be. Okay, what would be the margin of error. Okay, and then you are putting standard deviation and the number of sample that you have, and it will come to around 0.0033. Okay, so basically now you can say that your population mean lies between this particular value, that is 50.17 and 50.83. Hence you can say that feature B should be replaced with feature A with 90% confidence. Okay, and this is what basically you use confidence interval for. So if the margin error is says suppose 0.3%, then you would have able to say that your population mean lie between 15.5 0.3 and 50.5 plus 0.3. One is minus 3, another one is plus 3. So basically you will won't be telling like this, you will be telling like this. So it will be minus plus, okay, 50.3, where 3 is your margin of error. Okay, your 3 is your margin of error. Okay, so you will be telling like this, or there is another way of telling, that is 50.5 comma minus 0.3%. Okay, like this. Now bracket, like this you will be telling, and you have to include the plus 1 also. So for that 50.5 comma plus 0.3%. So this is how you will be telling. So with the certainty that the proportion of people that would prefer feature B over feature A has more than 50% in our sample, and for that entire population too. So this is how you will be telling it. Okay.